So it's Tuesday morning in Le Bourget, and we're here out on the static display. This is one of Air Tahiti's Boeing 787-9s. They're going to have 4 of them in service, I think, by the end of the year. They've been bringing them in to replace their A340-300s. Once we're on board, we'll see that they've, part of the service upgrade they're bringing in with these aircraft, they've got a premium economy section, and they've also got some lie flat seats in business class. So let's go and have a look on board. So here we are on board the Air Tahiti 787-9. This is the business class cabin. As you can see, it's got 30 lie flat seats.
So we're here at the Air Tahiti 787 Dreamliner, and we're just going to sneak upstairs and have a look to where the crew spend a little bit of their downtime on the plane. So obviously this is where the crew spend most of their downtime, getting some rest on these long haul flights, and I have to say it does look pretty comfortable. So here we are in economy, and as you'll notice first, the seats are a beautiful blue colour, which seems appropriate for Tahiti as an island nation in French Polynesia.
So obviously one of the selling points that Boeing will talk about with these aircraft is the window sizes. So, and they have on board a comparison across the main wide body type, so you can see, compare the size of the Dreamliner window there with the A330. So Air Tahiti will be deploying 787-9s on routes including to Paris, where we are today, also flying them to destinations such as Los Angeles, Auckland, Tokyo. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for joining us for a look around the aircraft.